We're fishing for outliers to found the next generation of deep tech businesses. Hi, my name is Bernadette. I'm the general manager here at Entrepreneur First in Singapore. A question I get often is how deep is deep tech? And it's a hard question to answer. I think for us at EF, what deep tech fundamentally means is that your business is technologically defensible from day one. There is something that differentiates your right to win as a technological advantage. I believe that this is the way we solve the world's most intractable problems. Things like air pollution, things like congestion, will they be solved by marketplaces or will they be solved by technology? And I believe that that's why we're in the business of doing what we're doing. We want to solve the hardest, most frustrating problems that haven't been able to, as yet, be tackled by people. What motivates me most about EF is that I have a social impact background, and I think that a lot of what deep tech companies can do is also to generate really positive externalities globally. Not to be in the business of being a social impact business, but by innovating and leveraging technology to solve some of the world's most intractable problems. One example of this is a fabulous company called pFIBRE, led by two really dynamic women from SG7 that are creating an alternative to plastics, an alternative material. And simply by doing that, they'll be removing tons of waste and landfill from our oceans and from our streets. Arguably one of the most valuable parts of our FORM program is finding a co-founder. What we hope people can find in our cohorts is the person that they share that vision, the values and the trade-offs with together. Having not just complementary skills, but also an aligned and a shared vision for how they want to build their company and the impact they want to drive. You know, for me, how can I put this? EF has been a really personally enriching experience, working with founders who push themselves and you to greatness every day. The way they raise the bar, the way they innovate and continue to hustle even in really challenging times has been nothing short of inspiring for me and the team personally. They have been flexible, compassionate and brilliant, all in the same way. So we're really lucky to work with the people we do.